Hi, I'm Betsy, and I'm here in the Logitech headquarters in sunny San Jose, California, where today I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is to video enable meeting rooms using the latest addition to our portfolio, Rallyboard 65. Rallyboard 65 arrives in a sleeve-style box with 4 locking clips. Unlock each one carefully, no blades or box cutters are required, which makes this super easy. Take out all of the packing materials and the protective bag. Now here's an important call out. Don't toss the box just yet. You'll actually want to keep Rallyboard snug inside the box for the next step. It is designed to keep everything stable while you attach the legs. Inside the box, you'll find the main device, a power cord, 2 tabletop legs, 2 styluses, screws, a hex key, and included accessories. In this room, we have a credenza we want to place the device on top of, so we'll go ahead and use the tabletop legs that are included in the package. Now, when attaching the legs, you'll want to think about which camera orientation you want. We offer 2 orientations. With the camera above the screen is great for whiteboarding and tall tables. Or the camera below the screen works well for traditional meeting rooms, where you want a simple device and whiteboarding is not the primary focus. Today, we're placing this on a credenza in a seated meeting room, and we're going to install it with the camera below the screen. Now that we're locked into an orientation, we're attaching the legs using the included M6 screws and hex key. Then with help, flip the board onto a flat surface. Position the Rallyboard carefully on a stable, flat credenza. Make sure it's centered and level for safe use and optimal camera placement. This looks perfect. Remove the back panel, plug in the power and Ethernet cables. If you're like me and can't handle messy, dangling cables, you'll really like how you can route the cables for a clean install. You can route them through the legs and secure them with the built-in clips. Once it is secured, replace the back cover. Now, if you're also like me and lose things easily, you'll be happy to hear that the styluses attach magnetically on either side, so you always know where to find them. Each stylus includes a spare tip stored inside. Once Rallyboard 65 is powered on and connected to the network, here's an option. An IT admin can finish the setup remotely. That means someone can remotely set up the rest. And for this part, I'm going to phone a friend.
Hey everyone, Trevor here from the product team at Logitech for Business. As you know, Betsy's in the office in San Jose, California. I'm a couple hours away in Sacramento, California. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to set up Rallyboard 65 remotely. Let's get started. First, I'm going to make sure I have a room set up for my Rallyboard 65 in Sync. You can see I'm adding it to my room in my Sync account now. Now here's the only part of this entire setup that requires someone in the room. Manually set the time zone and enable LNA on your Rallyboard 65 by toggling the switch in the setup on screen. That's it. Now using that address provided on the setup screen on Rallyboard 65, log into LNA local network access using the username and the password provided. As prompted, go ahead and set new credentials. Now use them to log into LNA. Now we can finish setting up the device via LNA. Your Rallyboard 65 will say local network access in session. That's what you want to see. In the web browser, you'll fill out information for your region, network, service provider, where we're going to select Microsoft Teams. Then on the 4th tab, it will ask for your sync provisioning code. This is where we're going to return back to sync, go into the room we added at the beginning, and copy the provisioning code from there. Paste the provisioning code and provision the device to sync. Boom, Rallyboard 65 is set up and provisioned to sync. Now, follow the link to Microsoft's device login webpage where it will ask for an access code to log in your device. Go back to the sync portal, click on Rallyboard 65, and start your remote UI access session. Now you're remotely accessing Rallyboard 65 and you can see the code that is needed for the Microsoft device login displayed on the board. Go ahead and enter that code and your Microsoft credentials to log in the device into Teams. And there you have it. Your device is fully set up remotely and ready for people to access in the office. As you can see, I'm going to start a whiteboard session remotely to test it out. You can see what it looks like in person. Pretty cool. And in just a few minutes, you can deploy Rallyboard 65 remotely. Thanks for following along. Passing it back to Betsy.
And that's it. In a few minutes, your Rallyboard 65 is fully deployed and ready to power collaboration. Thanks for following along. This is how we make video enabling rooms easier than ever here at Logitech.